First snowfall. Beautiful out here. Halfway up my knees. No one following me through here tonight. I'm looking for a place where I can quickly build a subtle shelter. I know exactly where it is. Oh my goodness. This is like 40%, 45 decline. Maybe I should put it right on the edge of this trail. I just don't want to fall. Did you hear that little dove? I'm up to my knees. Ooh! Blocked. Let's go up and we'll jiggy through the bushes a bit. Let's go up here. Oh, dodge. And we're on the other side. Okay. Even snow pants. Like if you're wearing snow pants and boots, this is where I'm supposed to be. Should be a bridge. There. It ain't fun walking in snow. I see a better place to be. Oh, look. That's my trail. Here, let me pause so I can take off my hat. Oh, it's getting deeper. Oh, it's beautiful in here. It's absolutely beautiful. Freaking past it. Let's go down. Ooh! Are we on ice? Nope. We're in water. So I think I found a good spot. That's not a safe tree though. Right here would be an absolutely perfect spot. Brought my shovel. Got the backpack. It's hanging up on a branch. Cut that off. Where's my backpack? And the entrance is gonna face that way towards the road. So I'm making a lean-to, and my tarp's not big enough. Still out here. And it's a little lean-to. I'd like to get another tarp just to put over top. Now I'm heading back. Have a good night. Try to find this one. This one's way harder to find.